Guys, we are asked to simplify this equation. The first thing we do is to find the LCM, since it involves a fraction, and then the LCM is 4. Then what most people do is they multiply both sides by the LCM, like this, to be 4 times 2x minus 3, which will give us 3x minus 5 over 4 times 4. When you do this, this one is wrong. You multiply each term by 4, and the terms are separated by the operations. So with this one, it's going to be 4 times 2x minus 4 times 3, which will give us 3x minus 5 over 4 times 4, like this one. Then you multiply them, 4 times 2x, which will give us 8x. This one will give us 12, which will give us, this 4 will take the 4 away, remaining 3x minus 5. We then group like terms. So we have 8x, this 3x will come here to be negative 3x, giving us negative 5, then negative 12 will go to this side to become plus 12. We then have 5x will give us 7. Then we then divide both sides by the coefficient of the x, which is 5, which will give us here by 5, here also divided by 5. We then have x, which is giving us 7 over 5.